Hey everyone, just wanted to show you my updated barge I spent all day on and kind of walk you through it and everything. I hooked up some lights and you'll notice little push button things. Well, what I'm going to do is show you what those do. First one over here is the engine sound for the engine, and I left the red wire there just because it looks kind of natural, like the barge should have, you know, wires running through it and everything. And then the next one is this button right here, which C-3PO pushes to make his announcement.
Of the Almighty Sarlacc, His Excellency hopes that you will die honorably. But should any of you wish to beg for mercy, the great Jabba the Hutt will now listen to your pleas.
And then this one up here is the strangling of Jabba. And these are actual movie sounds. And then I've got one over here. For the band. And then let's do the lights, and then I will do the last button for the finale. So I put the battery pack underneath the grate, and what's kind of cool about the lights that I got, it has like a little push button kind of thing. So it turns on the light as I push down on it, and as I push down again on it, let me get you guys' helmet out, it can switch. So there's like a little party going on. And then I push down on it again, and it does a little slower. Kind of more of a random thing, I guess. And I did paint the lights green for the armory, and I left those white, and then I got red inside. See if I can move him out of the way and not destroy anything. So I do have red inside as well. And then I've got the front, if I can reach. Got those lit up pretty good. So I was going to do up inside the red, you know, underneath, and I decided not to do it. I figured I'd light these guys up, look more like a platform display. And then if I push it again, it goes off. And there's another, I think a solid one. I've got the remote too, which is kind of cool. So I can do it all solid. Now, they stay on solid. Give you a better idea. So it looks pretty cool. I did more of lights up there just because I colored some of them, But then when I kind of put them all together, grouped them together, they all just kind of got bled out by the white, so that's okay. And then last but not least, we'll do this final button up here, and it is the finale. That's it. So, thank you everyone for watching, and I'm probably going to put this up on YouTube and all that kind of good stuff. So that's my daily project for today. And yeah, it took all day. And wiring is kind of easy, but not the greatest. But I think it turned out great, and hope you guys like it. I think it's pretty cool. So, alright guys. May the force be with you.